I've always tried to think outside the box, ask questions, even ones that aren't polite or politically correct, if it would help get to the truth of how to live a happy, fulfilled life. So I started asking. Writing, traveling, even quitting a PhD program here in the US to live in Bogota, Colombia, to learn from new people with new perspectives. And after 7 years, I finally came up with an answer. Well, not an answer, but another question. What would happen if everything we do embraced our human nature instead of fighting against it? Let's start with the obvious. Any organism thrives best in its natural environment. Yet, to build our cities, we rip out all of the plants and vegetation and we force out all of the animals, just so we can have our way. Then we plant a few trees, force dogs to live like a human, and call it a day. Is that the best we've got? How would our world change if we touched dirt every day and incorporated that into our lifestyle? What about singing, dancing, chanting, rituals? Aren't these in our human nature too? What would happen if we danced or sang every day with other humans, even if it was inside our own modern homes? What about hugging, or eye contact, or spending really quality time with other humans without distractions? Let's talk about movement. So many humans are on phones and computers for so many hours, day after day. The only movement you get there is a hand workout, while meanwhile your spine is deteriorating faster than an ice cube in the Sahara Desert. How would our whole society change if we moved more every day, and not just on treadmills, but natural movements like squatting, lunging, walking, and doing these multiple times throughout the day? And our food that's fake, fast, and frozen. Have we forgotten what really matters? How does your brain change when you slow down and cook a meal? Is this a form of meditation, of connection with nature through food? In my search for answers, I've mostly come up with more questions. But I think these questions are important to ask. What would happen if everything we do embraced our human nature? How would our lives change? How would the world change?